All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever type it may be. And it's been pretty bad recently, y'all. The weather out here in Houston has been terrible, ladies and gentlemen, absolutely terrible. We've been getting hit with monsoon level rains like every other day. Sometimes it's every day. It's been coming down, raining like every day randomly. It's been impossible, absolutely impossible to record because we'll get rain, it'll dry up, but it'll be way too hot to take the car out, and then we'll get rain again, the ground will be damp. It's been cooked. I haven't been able to record a video for like almost a week now, and the last time I did record a video, it rained while I was out. So we finally have some somewhat decent weather. I already know for a fact it's going to rain again, probably within the next hour or so. I need to go ahead and run some errands because I'm completely out of groceries. I have not been able to leave the house because it's been garbage out. So yeah, I'm taking y'all with me. If you guys enjoy, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and let's get on the way. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get a little cold start. On the road, ladies and gentlemen, and it's actually starting to rain. Like I said, I knew it was gonna start raining. I really did, but it's only like a drizzle. Hopefully it's only going to be a drizzle because I'm on the drag pack, obviously, and I don't necessarily like driving when it's like raining out. Like if it's like this and I have to actually step out, whatever, but I really hope it does not start coming down because I do not want to get stranded anywhere due to some pretty bad weather. Oh, this sucks, man. It's been like this literally for the past week. Honestly, like over a week, where it's like rains, then it stops for like maybe a couple hours, then it picks back up, then it stops. It's like it's impossible for the ground to get dry. I mean, we had maybe like 12 hours of just no rain, so the ground's a little bit dry right now, but here it goes again with the rain, and it's probably going to be cooked this entire weekend. I hope not, because I do have some plans for this weekend. We got some pretty interesting runs lined up that I know a lot of you guys are going to enjoy. At least I hope a lot of you guys are going to enjoy. It seems like you guys enjoy watching other cars on my channel kind of battle it out, not just my car. But this weekend we have a very, very, very interesting race lined up, and I really, really hope it does go down. Obviously, weather permitting. If it's gonna be like this all day, you know, today, Friday, Saturday, we're cooked. But hopefully we're gonna get a dry spell for at least 12 hours so it can happen. I honestly wish I was mechanically inclined, because if I was mechanically inclined, because the weather's been so bad, I'd get the front bumper fixed right now. I'd get the tabs fixed. I'd honestly probably go ahead and get it repainted as well. And I'd prep for the fuel system right now. That's what I would be doing. But since I'm not mechanically inclined, I do not have a lift, and honestly I don't really want to be messing with fuel because it's going to be in the garage. I have another vehicle in the garage. That's a little sketch, so I think it's probably the best decision to not do anything right now.
A few moments later.
Oh, this is not good because it is starting to come down a little bit harder now. Fantastic. Come on now, stop this nonsense. You can start raining when I get back home, not right now. Oh my God, we're gonna get hit with some traffic as well. Great. exhaust is crackling like crazy right now. Ooh, got a Raptor. Is Derek in town? Aha! There we go, finally. Come on, brother. Turn. I don't know what you're doing right there. Third home. Second home is the gas station. Third home is Target, for real. Alrighty, hopefully it ain't gonna be raining when I get back. Just stay dry for like 15 minutes. Please, just stay dry for 15 minutes. Alright. That'll last for a few days. Got what I needed. I want to get ice cream, but at the same time, I don't think I'm going to. All right, got everything I needed. Less than 60 bucks too. I think it was like, actually, might have been exactly 60 bucks, but not bad, not bad. Woo! That was almost bad. Almost ran this right in the car, but I really should have just got my front bumper fixed this week, because the clips are actually broken, so I need to get this repaired. Unfortunately, you guys can see here, it's like they're all broke in there, so I need to get it repaired. Do it the right way so it doesn't happen again. I do not want to put those push tabs in my bumper. I don't want to do that at all. I'd rather just honestly just keep giving it the love tap like I have been doing, instead of doing those push tabs. I don't know, I just really don't want to do that. But yeah, we'll get that fixed up. And also something that's happened as well, you guys can see here, the rear bumper sag is kind of back, but this is because I think when the car squats, it just kind of just like unclipped all these. I know how to fix this. You literally just take the rear bumper off and put it back on, and that will fix it, because that's exactly what happened last time and it fixed it. So I'm gonna take it to the same place that fixed it the last time, have them do the front bumper as well, because they did a good job. Because that got fixed like over 2 years ago, and it just started to happen again. And that's because, you know, we're racing the car a lot. Can't complain. Cannot complain. And fun fact, the same people who fixed that, they also re-clear coated the hood, installed the hood pins where I wanted them to. They did a badass job. Also might get the wheels polished out. Let me know what you guys think about that. If I should polish out the wheels. So instead of having like the black, it's just all gonna be polished. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Is that a good idea? So no black, it'll just be straight like polish. I think it'll look good. It should look good. Or does kind of the black complement the kind of black accents on the car? Thinking about it now, I probably should just leave it alone and not touch it. Probably should do that. That sounds good too. All right, let's get out of here before the rain starts to come down any harder than it is right now. That blue is clean. I do like those. That blue is actually really, really, really clean. Really clean. That boy going to Firehouse. Those subs are good too. I do like those subs. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about the vlogs. Obviously, like not the typical stuff I put on the channel, like the racing and, you know, the car meet stuff, but just like the vlogs. I think it's a nice change of pace considering the fact that the recent vids on the channel have all been, you know, Mexico and car meet stuff, which honestly, I really enjoy recording those vids, obviously. But with the weather the way it is right now, what the hell are you doing? Okay. I ain't gonna lie, that dude scared the fuck out of me, bro. Cause that dude's rear bumper was all messed up. I was like, this dude don't care about his ride. I was about to be like, fuck. So stupid. Like, if it's gonna rain, just rain. Don't do like this drizzle shit for like 3 hours. Literally Houston for you. Closer to the crib.
One eternity later.
All right, finally made it back home to the casa. It's crazy because it's actually sunny outside. This weather, I absolutely hate it, man. I absolutely hate it. This is like the worst time of the year, no cap. It sucks because you can't do anything because it's raining 1 hour and then sunny the next. It just better be like this Saturday. That's all I have to say. So if you guys enjoyed the vid and are excited for the weekend, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. We have some very, very interesting runs coming up. I think a lot of you guys are going to enjoy them. I'm telling you guys, I'm more excited than y'all are gonna be. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.